The lock I have is a Mauer MLS. It's very difficult keyway with all that warding. The first 3 pins actually sit on this right warding right here. This is the bitting. Very high, as you see. The pins go almost to the top of it. It has ball bearings here for key control, and another patented key control of the MLS is the actual keyway. Here's a picture of it that it actually spells out MLS. The key, you won't be able to tell as clear as the picture, but the key is the same as the picture of the MLS, but that's where they get the patented key control from. I'm not going to go into the history and everything. I did that in my last video of Mauer's, coming from a Bulgarian Dutch company. One feature they have is the red line. They have these on a lot of their locks. This is for snapping. This part can be snapped off, and you can still access your lock and turn the cam here by accessing the last 3 pins on the key. So, as you see, they're pretty proud of coming up with a keyway that actually spells MLS. But this lock is brand new, works perfect. I'm going to get it clamped up and we will get to picking. Oh, one thing before that, it is a 2-star SKG. The highest is 3 stars, so this is a pretty good lock. This warding is very difficult to navigate. Okay, that was 1. 3. 4, 5. 3 again. Okay, 6 gave me a little something. That was, I think, 4 or 5. Okay, that was 1. A 4 for sure that time. Three. 3. Come on. Whew. That was a tough pick. It's really hard. I've seen people pick these, but they didn't have the warding or the bidding that I have. I know that doesn't look bad, but these three are really, really high. I mean, they're damn near the top of this thing. And just getting the angle to get up there is difficult. I guess I should have picked the other side to show you the red line, but whatever. Basically just goes all the way through, even through the plug. So, I mean, that's pretty much the only difference. There is drill protection here, here, here. As you see, there's some ball bearings here. Yeah, very difficult keyway. Can't see shit down in here. It's a big spool. Another one, but not as long. Okay. Let's see if there's not ones. These are all just standard. Surprising. Except for this one. This one has slight beveling on the edges. And this one is normal. Look how long this spool is. I don't know if this can do it justice, but that is a long spool. Nice sharp cuts on it too. Here's one of the key pins where it's fatter around the key pin part. Or, I'm sorry, it's fatter around the top part, skinnier around the key pin part. That's on number 4, number 5, and number 6 are all like that. Alright, so for the key pins, 1 through 3 is normal, 4 through 5 has smaller bottom half, fatter top half. 1, 3, 5, and 1, 3, 6 are normal standard drivers. 2 and 4 are spools, with 2 being a really long one. 5 has a little beveling around the top and bottom of it. I'll give you a close up. And those key pins that have the fat top, skinny bottom. Alright, that's all I have for you on the MLS, Mauer MLS. It's a 2-star SKG with the unique keyway. If you have any questions or comments, you can post them below. If you like the video, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe. And remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. One thing I want to mention real quick, how I said earlier, how the holes are drilled down in here so they can reach down, but the first 3 pins sit on top of this top warding, which they do. Like such. And then I know you can't see down in there, but the hole is actually deeper, and the front pins, the diameter of the 3 front pins are the same diameter as the top half of these last 3 key pins, and then the smaller bottom diameter allows it to go deeper into the keyway. So you have the first 3 pins stopping right at this warding here on the right side, and then you have the last 3 pins going out about that deep in there. So that's why there's 2 diameters, 2 thicknesses to the last 3 key pins. Alright, that's all I got.